everyone! Gemini is on trend nowadays. It's a most amazing and easy to use AI that businesses are using. So over here in this video, I will create an AI agent for you, that too absolutely for free using Google Gemini. Now, what is this AI agent going to do? This AI agent is going to generate content for your business and create blogs automatically. Just give an idea to this agent and automatically you will see the vlog has been created on your business. Okay, so now let me show you how this amazing automation is first going to work in real time. This is my spreadsheet where I enter the title and the keywords, the ideas that I have for the content to be generated. Okay, so let me enter a title and a keyword right over here. So you can see I've entered the title as top AI tools to boost your digital marketing campaigns. I'm an owner of a digital marketing agency. That's why I've taken this example. And the target keywords are AI marketing tools, digital campaign automation. Okay, so now I've added the title and the keywords. Now what is going to happen? Gemini is going to automatically generate the content, and as the content is generated, automatically that vlog is going to be posted on my Google Blogger account where I share content with my audience of the business. Okay, and as it will be shared automatically, the status in my Google Sheets, you can see in front of you, it's been updated as created. So now as the status is created, that means the vlog is also created. So if I'll open my Google Blogger account, you can see on the screen there is no vlog related to this title that I've added, but as I will refresh the page, I will show it to you. You will see in front of you, this vlog has been created with the same title. Top AI tools to boost your digital marketing campaigns. This was the title that I've added. Okay, I'll preview this content from here and you will see the exact content that was generated. I have just given this title as well as the target keywords, and this is the content that our Gemini has given and generated, and automatically this AI agent that we have created has posted this on my Google Vlogger account. Okay, so now this is how this amazing AI agent is going to work for your business as well. Your content creation will be super easy. Just you have to write the idea and it will be created automatically. You will have a smooth flow. You don't have to have any other manual errors or any other person you have to hire to write the content. This AI agent will do it for you absolutely for free. So now in this video, I'll tell you how easy it is to create this AI agent. Okay, now simply what you need to do is open a new tab and browse www.pabbly.com/connect, because using this amazing application that is Pabbly Connect, we are going to create this amazing AI agent. Okay, then Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Over here, before we create this automation, I want to talk about what Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is an exclusive space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. Over here, you can ask questions, share your feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our community today itself. For that, you will find a link of our community in the description section below. Okay, on Pabbly Connect right now, on Pabbly we are having a Black Friday sale. Over here on the screen you will see this coupon code that is BFCM 2025, using which you can get instant 10% off on the purchase of the lifetime plan of Pabbly. Purchase it once and you can create unlimited automations. No other cost will be added. You have to just pay once and you will get instant discount as well. So go ahead and today itself buy this plan. Okay, so now over here on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, you will land. Over here, if you're a new user, you do not have an account with Pabbly Connect, do not worry. Sign up for free from here and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features and create this AI agent absolutely for free. Yes, as you have received 100 tasks. Okay, now if you're an existing user just like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account from here. Then you will see the all Pabbly apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this Access Now button. Then you will see Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear. To create a new AI agent, a new workflow, for that click on this Create Workflow button. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, select the new beta method version. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select this classic version. I will select the new beta method version from here, and firstly it is asking for the name of my workflow. So for the name of this workflow, I will give over here as Gemini agent for free. That's just a demo name I've given. You can name anything that you want right here. For Folder, these are the folders from which I'll select the workflows folder. If you want to create your own folder from this plus button, you can do that. And simply click on this create button and a workflow has been created. Inside Pabbly Connect workflows, there are two major steps that are the principles of automation, that is trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple actions. Okay, we are going to set up a trigger step in which for my trigger application, I'll select Google Sheets. I want, as soon as I'll add the title and the keywords, the idea that I have of the vlog in Google Sheets, this trigger should capture the response of that. That is why my event is going to be new or updated spreadsheet row. Click on this connect button. You will see the webhook URL and some steps that you need to follow to create the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Copy this URL and log into your Google Sheets that you have. Open the spreadsheet panel. From this panel, go to extensions, add-ons and get add-ons option. Then you will see this window in front of you in which you will see the search apps bar. Over there, you have to search for what? Pabbly Connect webhooks. Select it and install this application inside Google Sheets. Because using this Pabbly Connect webhooks application, we are going to create the connection between what? Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Okay. As now you have installed, go back and refresh the spreadsheet once from here. As you have refreshed the spreadsheet, in extensions, now we'll see the option Pabbly Connect webhooks. Click on this initial setup option under it. Then you will see the initial setup dialog box in front of you, where it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. For the webhook URL, simply paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. And the trigger column says the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that raw data will be sent to the webhook URL. In my spreadsheet that I have created, my trigger column is going to be column B, that is the target keywords. As soon as I'll enter the title and as soon as I enter the target keywords, the title and the keyword will be forwarded towards this URL. Okay, and that's what I want. So for the trigger column, I'll write over here as what? Column B and click on this submit button. As soon as I will do that, you will find it says setup configured successfully. Now go back. There is one more step left that will complete the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Go to extensions and Pabbly Connect webhooks and click on this send on event option. As soon as you will do that, what is going to happen now? You will enter the data of the new title and the keyword in the spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is instantly going to send that new data to Pabbly Connect using send on event. Okay. So now as the connection has been done successfully, now what we are going to do is we are going to open our workflow and scroll on it says waiting for webhook response. Now to check whether the connection is successfully created or not, what I will do is I will enter the new title that I have as well as keywords and check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of the new title and keywords or not. Okay, so let me enter the new title and keywords right over here. You can see I've entered the title and the keywords. SEO strategies for digital marketers in 2025. SEO for digital marketing, search engine optimization. I've added the keywords as well as the title. Okay, as I've added the details, let me open my workflow and scroll down and you will find right over here the response has been captured in my trigger as well. The title is the same title, SEO strategies for digital marketers in 2025, as well as the keywords. I've added it right over here. Okay, and we have captured the response in our trigger. As the response has been captured in the trigger, Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is now been done. We have received the title and the keywords. Now let us send this data to whom? To our Google Gemini, and let's check whether the content is generated by our AI or not. Okay, so now we'll add the Gemini step in this workflow, add an action step in which over here you have to search for what? Gemini, and you will find Google AI Studio, that is Gemini. Okay, event is going to be what? Generate content, as we are generating the content. Okay, and click on this connect button. Now as soon as I will do that, if you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will teach you how you can add a new one. To add a new one, you have to provide what? API key. To have the API key, go to this hyperlink of Google AI Studio and you will land towards the AI Studio of your Gemini account. Simply then you will see the option get API key over here on the bottom left corner. Go to this section and you will land towards the API key section. Okay, I have already generated my API key from here. If you want, you can also create a new API key from this button. Select the project, name it, and the key will be generated. It's super easy. I'll just simply copy this API key from here, paste over here in the field and click on the save button. Okay, as soon as I've done that, the connection has been created successfully. This is how simple it is. Now next it is asking for the text. Now what is this text? Text is a prompt using which Gemini is going to read, it is going to understand and generate as a content according to the text that we have written. In the text, we have to add all the things that we want in our content to be generated and add the points which we do not strictly want in the generated content. So I have created a prompt and I will add that prompt over here in this text field. Okay, so I will show you the prompt right now. So you can see right over here, this is a detailed prompt that I've written in order to generate the vlog content. Generate a complete SEO optimized blog in clear HTML format for my digital marketing agency Digital Dynamics. That's my business name, using the details below. It is asking for the title and the keywords using which this Gemini is going to generate the content. Now over here for the title and keywords, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. As soon as I will select the field, you will see right over here the previous step is going to appear in front of you like this. As I'm going to click on it, this is the title on which I want to generate the content. So I'll select the title from my previous response. You can see as I've selected this specific data, the title from my previous response, you can see this data has been what? Mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become what? Dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, that is Google Sheet step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will enter the keywords. Instructions. Do not include the title inside HTML output. Title is already handed in Blogger. Start directly with engaging introduction para. Use proper HTML formatting with clean, you can see right over here, HTML tags. Add multiple sections with headings, benefits, steps, and real-world digital marketing examples. Use short paragraphs for better readability. Include a section for use cases and relevant to the topic. Add 5-7 FAQs formatted in HTML. End with strong conclusion and call to action for my digital marketing agency services. Output must be only the HTML blog content without any explanations or additional text. Absolutely do not include the sign, any code formatting in the output. Output produce clean HTML content only. I have mentioned everything that I want and do not want in this prompt. If you want to use this exact same prompt that I have added, you will find the template of this exact workflow that I am creating in this video in the description section below, where you will find this prompt. Go copy it and create vlogs for your business as well. Okay. For models, I will select over here as what? Gemini Pro. So that's what I'm searching right here. You can also search any model that you want that is going to generate the content for you. So I'm going to select Gemini Pro latest. Content is going to be generate content and simply click on the save and send test request button. It will take 20 seconds up to 15-20 seconds in order to generate the content. So I have to wait for that few seconds right over here. So I'm going to wait for the content to be generated by Gemini. And as soon as you can see, as I've waited, the content has been generated by Gemini. The digital marketing landscape is a constant state of flux, and the world's search engine optimization is leading the charge. Strategies guarantee a top slot on Google. Just you can see right over here, the vlog has been generated in HTML format. Now as we have the vlog, now let's create this vlog where? On our Google Vlogger account. Add an action step. Select the action application as what? Google Vlogger. I will search for the Vlogger and Google Vlogger has appeared. Event is going to be create a post. Click on this connect button. Again, if you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new one. For that, click on this sign in with Google. This is the account that I want to continue with. So I'll select this account from here. And it is asking for the access of this account, for which I'll click on this continue button, as this is an absolutely safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Vlog ID. My vlog ID over here is in the name of my vlog. You can see that is why I will select this vlog ID from here. Title, I'll map the data of the title from my Google Sheet step. Content, I will map the data of the content generated by my Gemini. Status of this content, I'll keep over here as draft. Now why draft? Because this is an AI generated content and there might be anything that I don't want to include in this vlog. I want to review it once and then publish it myself. That is why I will leave the status over here as draft. If you want, you can schedule it as well or directly live this vlog also. I'll keep it as draft, and as it's draft, I'll select as draft as yes right over here. Okay, then it is asking for all the other fields. If you want that, you can definitely add the data. I do not want that, so I'll simply skip the part and simply click on the save and send test request button. As soon as I've done that, you can see right over here status draft. I've received the ID. That means now the vlog has been created. Let me open my Google Vlogger page, refresh this page from here, and you can see a new vlog content has been added. If I'll preview this vlog from here, you will see the vlog on the title that we have added in our Google Sheets, that is SEO strategies for digital marketers in 2025. You can see right over here has been created successfully and this was the content generated by our Google Gemini. Okay, so as now you can see right over here, this vlog has been created. I also want to know, right, that the content has been created and been posted. So that is why I will update the status in my spreadsheet where I've added the idea as created. So as soon as the status will be updated, I can go to my Blogger account, review the vlog and post it directly. Okay. So now for updating the spreadsheet, again, add an action step in which for the action application, select over here as Google Sheets. Event is going to be update row. Okay. And click on this connect button. If you want, you can add a new connection. I will select the existing connection. I've told you how you can create a connection in the previous step. Spreadsheet, I will select the spreadsheet over here in the name of what vlog content. So I'll select that spreadsheet. Sheet is going to be sheet 1. For the row index, I've received the row index in my Google Sheet step. So I'll map the data of that row index. And for the status, I will manually write over here as what created. So let me add that created and simply click on the save and send test request button. I have received this response, which is a positive response, and you will see the status is updated automatically over here as created. Now this automation is completed. Now whenever I will add the vlog idea in my Google Sheets, automatically my AI agent, that is what Google Gemini, is going to generate the content for me. Content is generated automatically using the title and the content. A vlog will be created on my Vlogger account, and as the vlog has been added, I will update the status that vlog has been created in my spreadsheet. Okay. So this is how this amazing AI agent is going to work in real time, and you can create this AI agent absolutely for free today itself. So go ahead and create it. And yes, as there is a Black Friday sale going on, go and purchase our one-time plan and create amazing automations like this for your business that is going to automate all your tasks. All your repetitive tasks are going to be gone, and you will have a lot of sales in your business. You do not need to hire any more people. Create automation once and all your tasks will be done completely. Okay, so now over here, if you have questions or doubts related to this workflow that I've created, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. Now over here, if you want to use this template, exact template, or the prompt that I've given to Gemini, if you want to use those details, I've already told you that I've added the shareable link in the description section. Go ahead and use it. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.